Letters of alphabets are used to make words. Students, we use alphabets to make the words like OF, off, CAT, cat, OX, oaks. So, is, BOY, Y means we have to use these letters and then we have to make a word. GO, go, COW, cow. So a word is a group of letters representing speech. Letters of each word are arranged in a way to make it meaningful. Means when we arrange these letters so that that will be in a meaningful manners. We use words while talking with each other. When we have to talk, so we use words. We use words to express our feelings, our ideas and our messages. We cannot speak or write a language without the letters. Without the words means letters. Order of letters to make a word. When we arrange the letters in a meaningful way, in a proper order, that is called a word. It is very important to take care of the order of the letters to make a word. For example, we have two letters S or I. When we order it SI, so it is incorrect word. When we make in correct way, so that is IS, is. So we have ETA, so that is meaningless word. When we have to arrange in a proper way, so it make TEAT. YTO, that is no manners, it is no meaning. When we have arranged in a proper way, so it is a proper word. TOY, twy. KOBO, these are letters arranged in book. BOOK, book. So friends, when we arrange the letters, so it is very important to take care of the order of the letters that make a meaningful word. Numbers of letters in a word. A word may have one or more than one letter. One letter means I and A. So in English language there are only two one letter words, that is I and A. I is used for speaker or writer to express their feelings, and A is used for one or any. More than one letter means two letters, three letters, four letters. So there are so many examples of two letter words. For example, A and N, AT, at, OX, ox, ON, on, IN, in, GO, go, DO, do, OF, off, and US, us. Here are some examples of three letter words. For example, ANT, and, ASS, as, AND, and, END, and, DAY, day, RAT, rat, BAT, bat, BOY, boy, ROB, robe, GOD, god, EGG, egg, POT, pot. Here are some examples of four letter words. Cook, 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 CITY, city, LILY, lily, GOAT, goat, COCK, cock, DOOR, door, KITE, kite, SHIP, ship, WIND, wind, FORK, fork, HEAP, heap, NEST, nest. So these are the example of two letter words, three letter words, four letter words. In next slide we will read out 5 letter word, 6 letter word, 7 letter word and 8 letter word. 5 letter, for example, train, TRAIN, train. 6 letter word, monkey, MONKEY, monkey. 7 letter word, feather, FEATHER, feather. 8 letter word, tortoise, TORTOISE, tortoise. Spellings. The written form of a word is called its spelling. When we have to write the word, so that is called the spelling of that word. When we make or write a word, sometimes we use incorrect order of the letter. Such type of word are the words having spelling mistake. If we make a spelling and that is incorrect way. So that we call it spelling mistake. It is necessary to use the correct order of the letter to write the correct spelling of a word. For example, incorrect spelling G-E-L-G and the correct word is L-E-G, leg. P-O-Y-N, that is incorrect. When we have to arrange in a proper way, P-O-N-Y, pony. B-O-T-A, this is incorrect but that is no meaning. When we have to arrange in a proper way, B-O-A-T, boat. T-R-Y-E, that are the group of letters only, that is not called a word. When we arrange in a proper way, T-Y-R-E, tire, that is a correct word. G-R-L-I, that is incorrect. When we arrange in a proper way, G-I-R-L, girl. Come to the next slide. Formation of two or more words with the same set of letters. E-T-A, that is a set of letters when we arrange. So E-A-T, eat, T-A-E-T or A-T-E, ate. L-M-A-P, so lamp or palm. D-R-E-A, dear and read. So friends, in this set of letters we have made two meaningful words. T-M-A-C, team or meat. E-L-O-N-M, melon or lemon. In this set of letters, in these words we have to rearrange the letters only and make a meaningful word. Let's do some exercise of this chapter. Make correct words using the following letter by looking at the given picture. We have to given the picture and clue of the set of the letter I-R-N-G. So we have given here it is a ring. So rearrange the letters in a proper way. R-I-N-G, ring. W-C-O-L-N. So here is a clown. So C-L-O-W-N, clown. N-M-G-A-O, that is a picture of a mango. So you have to write the spelling of a mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. T-S-R-A, here is a picture of a star. So you have to rearrange the letter and make a meaningful word, star. S-T-A-R, star. G-T-E-I-R, that is a picture of a tiger. So we have to write here that spelling of tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Arrange words in an alphabetical order as 1, 2, 3, 4. So hence alphabets means A to Z, like A, B, C, D, E. When we arrange in like the alphabet, so that is called the alphabetical order. For example, that is vase, that is starting from V. Lamp, that is started from L. Mother started from M. And basket, that is started from B. So A, B. So firstly we have to, number 1 is basket, that is started from B. After that L. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Then M. And after that vase. So we have to speak out like A, B, C, D. And which word is starting from the alphabet we have to mention here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do some next example. Silver from S. Eagle from E. Xerox from X. And ship from S. Now we have to start from A, B, C, D, E. So that is number 1. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So then there are 2 S. But H is, then we have to look at the second alphabet, H. So SH, that is second, and SI, that is the third number. And the last is the fourth number, Xerox from X. Come to the next example. Zoo from Z. Tomato from T. Peacock from P. And water from W. So when we have to recite A to Z, then the first letter from the P, peacock, then tomato, T, then third is water, W, and after that the last is Z, because Z is the last letter of the last alphabet of the letter of the alphabets. Now come to the last example. Owl, that is starting from O. Mumbai from M. tree from T, and yolk from Y. So when we have to recite the alphabet A, B, C, D, so M is the first number, then M and O, P, Q, R, S, T, and the Y is the last word in the series. Let's do some more examples, some more exercise. Form two or more, if any, two words with different meaning using the same given of the set of the letters. We have given the some set of the letters like W, S, E, A. So let's make new words from these letters, waste and save. We have to use only these letters to make the words. Next, E, T, N. So T, E, N, 10, and N, E, T, net. A, E, R, P. So reap and pear. C, A, E, R. So friends, care, C, A, R, E, care, and raise. So friends, do this exercise in a proper manners and complete this work in your book and read out this chapter with the help of the video.